A child who sings is a happy child. In today's episode, let's meet a 4-year-old singer from Mizoram who has won the hearts of many with a melodious voice. Her cover of AR Rahman's famous song Maa Tujhe Salaam has been getting her a lot of praise on social media. Esther spoke to Roving Reports via Skype. Take a look.
Hi, Esther Hnamte.
A 4-year-old Esther Hnamte's cover of AR Rahman's popular number Maa Tujhe Salaam has caught the attention of scores of people around the globe. The cover song, uploaded on October 25th from Esther's YouTube channel, shows a little superstar holding the national flag and singing amid picturesque landscapes of Mizoram. Esther has gained more than 1.5 lakh subscribers in a month. Esther's rendition has been termed as the cutest version of the song. Her angelic voice has won the hearts of many, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and AR Rahman. Prime Minister tweeted, "Adorable and admirable, proud of Esther Hnamte for this rendition."
I am 4 years old. Which means I am from Mizoram. Which means I am from
Her cover of Maa Tujhe Salaam is nearing 3.5 million views. Although she can only speak Mizo, when it comes to singing, she memorizes both English and Hindi songs very well. Esther's mother said she started singing when she was just more than a year old and she termed it a God-given talent. Her parents recorded her first music video when she turned 3. Esther says she wants to be Disney's Princess Elsa. What do you want to be when you grow up? When you grow up big like me, what do you want to be? What do you want to become?
Say to her.
Yeah. Speak louder. Yeah. What's that?
She wants to be Elsa.
Oh, you love Elsa. Oh, that's good. The little girl's YouTube channel, which had 73,000 subscribers when her video was uploaded, has now more than 216k subscribers. She has been awarded an appreciation letter and cash incentive by Mizoram Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Though Esther is too young to comprehend all the praises and love she has been receiving, her song has united people around the globe.
Teach me to say one day.